Hi there. Today I'll show you how to open and close the application using application package present in automation anywhere. So without any further delay, let us start our session for the day. So first of all, you need to click on this create button in order to create a task bot. And over here you need to define the name to your task bot, that is second automation. I'll give the name as second automation, and then I'll click on create and edit. You can give the name to the taskbot as per your convenience or choice. So what we need to do over here is we need to select or drag and drop this we need to drag and drop the open program file action from the application package. And over here first I'll show you how to open a application. So before I show you, I'll just put a comment: open a particular application using application open program slash file action. So after giving the comment, I'll go to the application open program file action. And in order to open any application, in this case I'll show you how to open the Excel application. So over here you need to write excel.exe and then click on the save button. So once you click on the save button, the workspace area will be saved where you defined your action. So now we will run this particular set of action in order to see whether the steps that we have created is running as per expectation or not. So in order to run the bot, you need to click on this run button. So once you click on the run button, the bot will start to download the dependencies, and once the dependencies are downloaded, it will start to execute. So we are just waiting for the bot to start execution. As you can see, the bot has started the execution. So as you can see, the Excel has opened over here. So this is how you can open the any application using application program file action. So now I'll show you how to close the particular application that you want to close. So I'll just copy the comment from the first line and put it over here, and instead of open I'll just give it close a particular application. And now I'll drag and drop this second line of action over here, and in order to close the application I'll just use over here task.exe, and in the parameters I will define /f/im, and I will show you how to close the word application. And in order to close the word application, you need to give winword.exe. So what I'll do is I'll just run the task from over here, like from line number 4, in order to just execute that particular line. So the bot has started to execute. So as you can see, the word application has been closed. So this is how you can close the application. How you can close the word application using application program file action in automation anywhere. So if you have any queries regarding this video, then you can raise your queries in the comment section and I will be more than happy to answer all your queries. So before we wind up our session for the day, I request every one of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification icon so that you can receive all the latest updates and notifications that we keep posting on our YouTube channel. Thank you all and have a great day.